Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another very quick and easy simple wig install. This is the perfect ready to go wig for all of my beginners out there, or for my ladies who just want something to throw on and leave the house. This wig is from Tinashe Hair and it is their wear and go glueless deep curly pre-cut lace wig, and it actually has a 5x6 lace closure and it is cut into a nice short curly bob. Alright, so here is the wig. So once again, it's from Tinashe Hair and this is their wear and go glueless deep curly pre-cut lace upgraded 5x6 lace closure bob wig. Now as you guys can see, that lace comes pre-cut, it comes pre-plucked, and also it does look like it comes pre-bleached as well. Those knots are super tiny. I have it in 16 inches and 180% density, and of course you guys have the combs inside of the wig cap and that adjustable elastic band, but I'm gonna give you guys more close-ups of course. Now using the combs inside of this wig is completely optional. The elastic band will provide you with enough security and also help your wig to lay flat. However, I do want you guys to pay attention to that lace. That lace is absolutely beautiful, and remember this is a 5x6 lace closure, so you actually have a lot of room to do different parting styles if you like. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is add some foundation onto that lace. Now this lace is considered an HD lace, so it is going to melt. However, adding the foundation just helps the lace to match your skin tone perfectly. Next, you're going to want to adjust that adjustable strap to your preference and then just go ahead and throw the wig on. Now as I mentioned earlier, this wig does have the combs inside of the 3D dome cap. However, the dome cap in itself is nice and stretchy and breathable. The combs completely optional. Me personally, I do like to use the combs because we will be installing this wig with no glue, no gel. That way it's easy to put on and take off, and I just feel like the combs help to lay the lace a lot flatter in my personal opinion. But as I mentioned previously, remember that adjustable elastic band helps to keep your wig secure and stable. So now what I'm going to do is use my wax stick and my hot comb. I really want to see that hairline. That hairline comes pre-plucked and it's extremely natural looking. I know I'm going to need a little bit more foundation, so I'm getting all of the hair out of the way. That way I can thoroughly see that lace and just put the foundation wherever I need it. Okay you guys, so as I am dabbing this foundation right at the edge here, take a look at this lace you guys. She is blending in nice and easily. Now I know you guys can see like the edges of the wig caps. Remember this is a lace closure, so that is completely normal. At this point you can decide if you want to add baby hairs to cover that or not. Being that we're going to leave the hair in the middle part and she's going to be down, I don't have to do all of that. I'm not a baby hair person regardless, but the way we're styling the hair is going to cover up any like additional lace or the wig cap showing, anything of that nature, and you guys will see that. But as always, I will be using my wax stick and my hot comb as well, just to make sure that the top of the wig is laying flat and to just help mold the wig in the shape that I would like it to lay. This is extremely important, especially if you want your wigs to look natural. The lace is already looking right, so we just got to make sure that the rest of the wig is looking up to par. So now I am adding a lighter foundation in the middle part, and the reason why I'm going in with the lighter foundation is because naturally your scalp is a lot lighter than the rest of your skin tone. So of course when it comes to wigs, you want to mimic that because we want her to look extremely natural, okay? So far she is looking really good. Now it is time to refresh the curls. What I will say is that this is a true ready to go wig. Do you guys see how defined those curls are already? She's a little frizzy, but that's what we're gonna fix, okay? Now the only thing that I used in this hair, you guys, was just water, and I'm spraying the hair with water only because as I'm shaping the hair, as I'm kind of getting it the way that I need it to look, I don't want to cause any more frizz, so we're just using water just to help tame that, including the frizz that is already there from me running my fingers through the hair previously. So all I used was water, and then I took a little bit of gel and I just slapped it right at the top or any areas that was frizzy or whatever, and that's all that I did. I didn't have to go in with extensive product in order to make the curls pop. She did that on her own and she came fresh out the box like that. I was definitely happy with that because I do not like sitting here for an additional 30 to 45 minutes trying to recreate curls that should have already been there. And as far as the quality of the hair, she was really good. I didn't have excessive tangling nor excessive shedding as well. Alright you guys, and we are officially finished with the entire wig install, styling, etc. How quick and easy was that? Yeah, she's definitely a beginner wig. You do not have to have any skills to install this wig whatsoever, and because of this larger lace that they put on this wig, she is a lot more versatile. So remember, you can style her as you please, but when it comes to curly bobs, me personally, I do like a nice little middle part. I do. But this lace melted effortlessly and I was super happy with it overall. And of course, she's 100% glueless. Make sure you guys check out my description box. The direct link will be listed there and all the information that you need. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.